Oswald. Welcome to Emadek TV. My name is Jilak. Let's get the ball rolling. You know, in Emadek TV, we give you nothing but the best. We bring you nothing but the very best of trending issues right here in Ghana. And today's trending issue is about a young guy by the name Oswald, a 9-year-old boy who has gotten the attention of the country from morning till now. And Twitter is buzzing. Oswald is trending. Everyone is tweeting about Oswald. And basically, here's an overview of the story of Oswald in case you don't know. Oswald is a 9-year-old boy who this week did write his exams and wrote a passionate letter to his mother. And details of this letter is what really got the internet on fire. And the letter is just about things he needs for his our day as they celebrate it today, which is on Friday. And the letter has details of some of the things or the drinks he would like to drink, the sizes he wants. It has details of the type of biscuit he bring. The letter also talks about his mother allowing him to bring his iPad to school and also cook for his madam by the name one Mrs. Apia, and also asking the mother not to disappoint him because he did not disappoint them. The letter is very interesting, as you can see on your screen right now, and this letter has got the internet on fire. This morning, an interview with Oswald's mother, the woman disclosed that she is fond of giving Oswald the excuse of I've forgotten whenever the boy asks for something. So the boy has devised a new way of reminding his mom so that she wouldn't forget. And this is the new method by writing a letter to the mom. And the mom said the letter was received on Wednesday. The boy gave the letter to him on Wednesday, and because of how interesting the letter was, she sent the letter to work, showed it to a colleague. And after the colleague had finished reading, he laughed his head off, and the colleague decided to take a picture of the letter. So yesterday evening, Thursday, the colleague also did post the letter on Twitter, and basically that's the cause of everything. Twitter on fire. I called the trending number one. Oswald now taking the position of number one trend is just because of that post, and everyone is talking about it. TV stations, radio stations, Adom, the stars, companies, everyone is talking about Oswald. This morning, today happens to be the day of Oswald's Our Day. Oswald School have their Our Day today, and people did promise Oswald yesterday on Twitter. We have the likes of Kiddy, we have Mr. Drew, we have Dope Nation, we have NGOs, companies, people talking about this tweet. And this morning, as you can see on your screen, we have celebrities visiting the campus. Information reaching Emadek TV this morning was that the school had to hold an emergency board meeting as to measures to put in place in celebrating today's Our Day, because the whole nation's attention has been drawn to this young man called Oswald, a 9-year-old boy. And as you can see on the screen, we have Kiddy visiting the campus. Kiddy promised yesterday on Twitter he would like to perform 3 songs for the boy on his Our Day as a special performance, a special gift for him, from him to the boy. Mr. Drew, as you can see, has also visited the campus. Dope Nation has also visited. We have Joy News, we have Adom TV, we have companies. KFC needed to also take the necessary step in order to visit the campus, and it's just mind-blowing. The woman, the mother of Oswald, speaking to the media houses today, was like, she can't just get it over. It's someone would say it has over her. She can't think far. She can't. Gifts are still coming even as at 2 p.m. Gifts are still coming. Also, Professor Nana Opoku-Agyeman, the running mate for former President John Dramani Mahama, also did add her voice to it, and with a post she did this afternoon on Twitter, states that she has purchased an iPad for the boy. And the boy did state also in his letter that he needed to send his iPad to school, and he needed to get an iPad for himself so that he can send it to school on his Our Day. So the professor had thought it twice to also surprise the boy with an iPad, and media houses are just on the campus 247, and it's a whole new trend. One interesting thing about this whole Oswald story, same yesterday we had an interesting trending story about how the government is appealing to Ghanaians to donate 100 cedis each every month for the building of the National Cathedral, and that's what is supposed to be trending today. Our media houses are supposed to be trending that, discussing that today, but it's not going as we expect. Oswald is trending number one on Twitter, and it's mind-blowing. So basically, if you've heard about trending issues on Oswald, people posting about Oswald, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, basically, as you know, Emadek TV, we give you nothing but the best. This is what the whole story is about. It's about a young guy called Oswald, and we can't just get it over. You know, when we get the information like this, you have to make sure you get the first-hand information, virgin information. No one has ever discussed it. We give it to you fresh as it was delivered. So keep watching Emadek TV, as you can see on the screen. Yes, here are some pictures of some of the NGOs, some of the companies that visited Oswald on campus. As you can see on your screen, AFC has been there, private companies have been there, bloggers are there. share, and everyone is just talking about Oswald. This is Emadek TV. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment. You can also like and share, and also let us hear from you. Let us know what you think about this young guy, 9-year-old boy that has taken the attention of the nation on such an important day, which the nation is supposed to be discussing national budget, which was read yesterday. We are rather discussing him. What you think about this young guy? Leave a comment below. Let's hear from you. Keep watching Emadek TV. Emadek TV, we do nothing but involve the youth. Over and out.